Hey everyone, welcome to my room tour. This is my dorm room at school. So it's pretty small and I only have half the room, but I think I've managed to set it up and decorate it in a way that I really like. So I'm going to start off by showing you my little coffee and drink corner. I have this little bin and it has my two favorite coffees, which are the Pike Place and French Roast from Starbucks. Then I have some chamomile tea and hibiscus tea, and these are like what I normally drink either in the morning or when I'm doing yoga or things like that. Then in these plastic drawers, I have all my hot tools, my hair stuff, my contact lenses, and my nail polish. And then I have all my underwear down there. And then in this other top drawer, I have a lot of beauty aids, some like cotton rounds, like medicine and things that I need in there. And then in those other two drawers, I have all my socks. Then on top of my desk, I have some ways to display my jewelry and some cute little sayings on there. I have my rock salt lamp. And then I have my dream catcher, which is above my bed, and then all of these nice pictures of me and my friends and my boyfriend, just so I can have some memories from home while I'm here at school. And now for my makeup storage. On my desk, I have this little storage container that has a lot of blush, eyeshadows, glitters. I keep my false eyelashes, some bronzers, just kind of random things in that bottom drawer. In the middle drawer, I have all my foundations, concealers, BB creams. There's also a chapstick in there, I really try to make what fits fit because I have a lot of makeup and not very much storage. Then in the top shelf, I have a lot of my mascaras, lipsticks, some concealers, just lots of skinny things that all fit right next to each other in there. And then on top of this little storage thing, I have all of my makeup palettes. I have some lipsticks up there, my beauty blenders, and just some other things that don't fit in the drawers. Then on the other side of my desk, I have this big tin that has all of my makeup brushes in it. I have my hairbrush and hair ties hung up on the wall, and then I have my cotton rounds and Q-tips and just other things on my desk that I use frequently. And I usually keep my computer on my desk, and right now I have this sticky that has a saying that I really enjoy that says, "Everything in life is an opportunity to become stronger," and I like to really live by that. In my top drawer, I have all my school supplies, all my pencils and sticky notes, and things like that. And then in my drawer, I have all of my skincare, I have deodorant, perfume, face wipes, just lots of things like that. I've got my moisturizer in there, some like micellar water, and some like face masks that I do on special occasions. And then in my second drawer, it's totally random. I've got some electronics, some like little art supplies and notebooks in there. I don't use much of this stuff in there. In my bottom drawer, I have like a lot of my headphones, random things. I keep all my textbooks in there and my toaster, which I am technically not supposed to have, but gotta have my bagels. Moving on to this little corner under my bed, that's where I keep my yoga mat. I do yoga every single day, so it's nice to have it in a convenient place. And then I have this little like massager roller ball under there, and that's what I use to massage out my shins after I go running. And then I have my back roller, which is such a blessing all the time. And then here's some of my decorations. I have this tapestry that I got in Greece, and I have some fairy lights up around my room. And then I also have these hanging flowers, which I actually made. So I just bought a bunch of really nice looking flowers from Michael's and hot glued them together to create this really natural looking fake headboard thing. Then here's my bedding, and then underneath my bed, I have my dresser, which is really space saving. And in my top drawer, I have all my like cute shirts. It's totally unorganized, I know. Second drawer, I have all my sweatpants, t-shirts, comfy clothes, and pajamas. And then on my bottom drawer, I keep all my jeans, leggings, skirts, bottoms, and bras. And then next to my dresser, I have this little ottoman thing, which I actually need to get up onto my bed because it is so high off the ground. But it's a storage ottoman, which is really nice because that's where I keep all my workout clothes. And then on my bedside table, I have my fish tank, which has my pet fish. His name is Baby, and his tank is right next to my bed, which is really nice. And then on top of the tank, I have an essential oil diffuser, which I have on all the time. It really makes it smell so great in here. And right now I've been using this calming aromatherapy mix from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then I have my two plants. I have a bonsai tree and a nice little plant. I don't actually know what it's called, but I really love this corner of my room because it's really natural looking and brings me a lot of peace and relaxation. Then I have a couple storage cubbies in my bedside table. In the top one, it's just kind of random cleaning supplies. I have like trash bags and laundry bags and stuff like that. And my second one, I have I have my blender, my coffee cup, some silverware, and then underneath I have a bunch of mugs and cups and things that I use under there. Now, for the other half of my room, here's my mini fridge. I try to stay healthy, so I have some like almond creamer for my coffee, which I use every single day. It's really great non-dairy creamer. And then I have some clementines, carrots, apples. I got some cream cheese for my bagels, which I always need. And then in my freezer, I have a frozen bag of veggies, which I put on rice or I even put in ramen if I want to. That just helps me add a little nutrients to my not so great food. And then I have my frozen mangoes so I can make my favorite smoothie, which is just coconut milk and mango. It's amazing. You should try it. Then next to my mini fridge, I have my closet. So on top of the shelf in my closet, I have these bins, and I'm so lucky I'm tall because I can fit all of my sweaters and I can reach them up there, which is really great. And then I have this really great scarf hanger, which is so good if you have a lot of scarves like I do and you need a place to hang them all. And then I hang up all my flannels, I have all my jackets, and then over here on the side I have all my party dresses, which I don't wear very often, but I love having them here anyway. And then I have this shoe organizer where I keep my robe, some washcloths, and then the shoes I wear a lot. Ooh, check out the difference between my new and my old white Converse. And then on the bottom of my closet, I have my Uggs, my rain boots, my Coach boots. I have my bean boots and then some Birkenstock sandals. And those are what I wear most of the time right now because it's pretty cold out. So boots are what's in right now. And then on my closet door, I have both of my backpacks. The blue backpack has all of my dance shoes and things that I need to go to dance class in it. And then my other backpack is my school backpack, which has my notebooks, pens and pencils, books, things I need for class in there. And then underneath I have my shower caddy, which has all my skincare, my toothbrush, and other things I need in the shower. And that is my room. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And it gave you a little sneak peek about what dorm life is really about. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any other video ideas that you want me to do, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye!